To measure elbow flexion range of motion using a goniometer, the patient is supine with the upper extremity to be measured in the anatomical position, and the elbow is supinated and extended. A folded towel is placed under the distal humerus, proximal to the humeral condyles. During the measurement, the axis of the goniometer is aligned with the lateral epicondyle of the humerus. The stationary arm is aligned with the lateral midline of the humerus and the acromion process, and the moving arm is aligned with the lateral midline of the radius and the radial styloid process.
Ms. Reese, I'm going to measure how much you can bend your elbow using this device. Please scoot over to the edge. Now I'm going to put this towel under your arm. Relax your arm with your palm facing up. When I ask you to, I want you to bend your elbow like this and hold it there. Now bend your elbow, hold it there,